In BikeCAD, by default, saddle height is measured from the bottom bracket to this point here on the saddle. There are several other dimensions that use this same point on the saddle. For example, saddle height off ground, saddle from BB, XY, the rider compartment, and the handlebar drop all reference this one point. Now, if you'd prefer that the key point on the saddle was some slightly different location, you can pull up the saddle dialog box and use the saddle reference point XY. For example, perhaps you'd prefer to use the back of the saddle as a reference. I could type -130 and -10 Y to use the back of the saddle. If I go and look at the dimensions, you can see that the rider compartment is also taken from that location, as is the handlebar drop, etc. If you want, you can use positive numbers to make the saddle's key location point somewhere above the top of the saddle. So that's a brief description of the purpose of the saddle reference points X and Y.